Welcome back to Top 100 Cities in the USA. Today, we explore a city of contrasts and comebacks, rockets and rodeos, oil and innovation. Welcome to Houston, where the spirit of the Wild West meets the frontier of space. Let's rewind nearly 200 years and see how it all began. In the 18th century, the area we now call Houston was untouched wilderness, a mix of dense forests, bayous, swamps, and native prairies. This land was home to indigenous peoples, including the Akakisa tribe, who lived along the waterways and hunted across the Gulf Coast plains. Spanish explorers passed through, but no formal settlement was built. It was quiet, humid, and wild. There were no streets, no settlers, no cities. Just nature in its rawest form. Fast forward to 1836. The Republic of Texas had just won its independence from Mexico. Enter Augustus and John Allen, two entrepreneurial brothers from New York who saw gold in the Gulf. They bought over 6,600 acres near Buffalo Bayou and named the settlement Houston, after Sam Houston, the war hero, who led the fight at the Battle of San Jacinto. Houston in the 1830s was little more than a muddy clearing with wooden structures and makeshift roads. But thanks to its strategic location, it quickly became the temporary capital of the Republic of Texas. By the late 1800s, Houston was a growing town with dusty streets, cotton warehouses, cattle markets, and later, railroads. With every passing year, more settlers arrived, and a city began to take shape. In 1901, the Spindletop oil gusher exploded near Beaumont, and the city struck black gold. With oil came wealth, and with wealth came skyward ambition. Pipelines, refineries, banks, and shipping centers sprang up. By the 1920s, Houston had overtaken Galveston as the region's economic hub. In 1914, the Houston Ship Channel opened, making Houston a major port city and global trade destination. But the real launch came in 1961, when NASA established the Johnson Space Center. Suddenly, Houston wasn't just an oil town, it was the nerve center of America's space dreams. From a muddy town to a space-age metropolis, the difference between 19th and 20th century Houston was night and day. Throughout the 20th century, Houston's population exploded. Waves of immigration from Latin America, Asia, Africa, and Europe turned the city into one of the most diverse in the country. Houston's lifestyle evolved too. What began with rough boots and frontier grit transformed into a cosmopolitan blend of urban living, suburban sprawl, and high-end culture. Fashion moved from cowboy hats and linen suits to sneakers, silk saris, hijabs, and designer jeans. Rodeo culture still thrives, but so do hip-hop concerts, Vietnamese night markets, and art house theaters. Houston's culinary scene is a mirror of its diversity. In the 1800s, meals were simple: beans, beef, cornbread, and frontier fare. Today, you'll find Korean, Japanese, Indian, Russian, Mexican and variety of food. The city is home to over 10,000 restaurants, many of which you won't find anywhere else. It's said that you can eat in Houston every night for a year and never repeat a cuisine. Houston has also made political waves. From the civil rights movement to electing Annise Parker, the first openly gay mayor of a major U.S. city, Houston has often been ahead of the curve. Despite setbacks like Hurricane Harvey, the people of Houston have shown what true Southern resilience looks like: neighbors helping neighbors, rebuilding one block at a time. Today, Houston is packed with landmarks. Space Center Houston, the Museum District, Discovery Green, Minute Maid Park, the Galleria, each a testament to the city's ambition and creativity. It's a place where you can float down the bayou in the morning, tour world-class art galleries by noon, eat crawfish etouffee for lunch, and watch a rocket launch video in the evening. From a swampy outpost in the 1700s to a high-powered, multicultural megacity today, Houston's journey is the ultimate American story. Bold, gritty, diverse, and always reaching for the stars. This is Houston. And it's just getting started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic city stories in our Top 100 Cities in the USA series. Until next time, stay curious.